Hey there, YouTube. G-Pony here with battle number 2 on my new CQB field. I'm going to be battling him down there in gray. Sorry for the quality. I got a plastic bag over here on the camera. It's mounted my gun. And I did it so the rain and dirt wouldn't get in it. And, alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, we know there's a paintball. The bonfire. I got that. I'm not gonna shoot. Get it! 3, 2, 1. Huh?